Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. This video is a compilation of some of the types of detailing we do. Nordic Tug is a polymer sealant, kind of a maintenance detail. And this Bayliner is a new owner boat detail. A rotary polisher to remove all of that oxidation, making it nice and reflective and glossy again. And here comes the new owner, checking out her progress and showing his wife how nice their new boat is. Alright, so this is considered heavy oxidation. It's completely flat, completely dull, and really no shine or reflection. There's also moderate or light oxidation. Light oxidation is just going to look like kind of a haze or film in the reflection. Moderate oxidation is going to be either really cloudy and patchy haze. This boat is what I would consider a full restoration of the gel coat. We didn't get to the point where we needed to color sand it, but we were very close. The fiberglass had become dull, flat, and very oxidized, very little shine. It took multiple types of compound being applied here, and then a final polish afterwards. I think this took about 8 days of labor from top to bottom, front to back, to take care of this boat and get it looking like new again. And here's another newer boat that's getting a maintenance polish to remove light oxidation and to protect and renew that glossy, shiny appearance. Regular maintenance of your gel coat will help it keep that glossy, shiny, protected finish. So much easier to maintain a boat than try and restore it. We typically do all the smooth fiberglass, all the glass, all the stainless. We do both top sides and then down to the waterline. So we get asked all the time, how often should I wax my boat? And the rule of thumb is every 6 to 12 months. But it really depends on how you take care of your boat. Is it moored undercover? Is it moored out in the open? Is it in salt water? Is it in fresh water? Is it being washed regularly? And by that I mean once a month or so. What year is your boat? When was the last time it was polished? All these things play into what kind of maintenance you should follow or will need to follow to keep it looking its best. The other thing is, what product are you using? What machine are you using? This also will kind of play into how long the wax is going to last. We use a polymer based sealant, and if we're doing maintenance, we generally will use an orbital or DA polisher. If we're doing restoration, we're going to use the rotary, which is what I'm showing here, first, followed by that orbital or DA polisher. And this is kind of an example of that. Darker colors are really critical to maintain. This boat, I believe, was 2 years ago. We detailed this last. It may have been 3 years ago. But the black stripe essentially is turned white because it was not maintained, and it's in salt water, and it's black, and you know how that goes. So maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Really, it's the key to the longevity of your fiberglass gel coat and the great appearance that it can have. So I'm doing this wax in early January, maybe late January. I don't know. It snowed either the week preceding this or the week following this, and so very cold temperatures. Still okay to wax if you're using this type of a machine and the right products. The Robalo boat there just over my right shoulder in the background, I did that last week. And it was a maintenance wax using the orbital polisher rather than this high-speed or rotary machine. So while it's easier to do the hull out of the water, we actually finished up the top sides while it was back in the water. If you have a boat detailing need, please feel free to visit seattleboatdetailing.com. There are multiple ways to contact us through the site. If you are looking for training in boat detailing, you can also visit the website. As always, thanks for watching and make it a great day.